What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody has been doing well. Sorry if my phone is shaking. I am currently standing so I could get everything on the screen. So my little phone stand is shaking for whatever reason, but anyway. So in today's video, I am bringing you guys my first ever nail haul. These past 2 weeks I have been buying a lot of nail stuff, so I am going to be showing you guys what I bought. So this big bag that you guys see right here is actually from Shein. I am super duper excited because I recently found out that Shein has a lot of nail art stuff, so I had to check them out. I also needed some different color rhinestones for my nails, so I got these from Etsy. I will put the seller down below, and these guys are from Amazon. So I've been seeing a lot of, I believe it's pronounced kawaii nails, and I've been falling in love with them. Sorry about that. I've been falling in love with them, so I decided to buy these little guys and just check them out. So I actually did a little Valentine set. I will put up a picture. So they will be on my Etsy store pretty soon. So I'm going to do the Amazon stuff first because there's only a few things. So for Amazon, I bought these little stickers. I had them before. A friend of mine actually fell in love with the press-on sets that I put on earlier. Yeah, these are definitely different. I went back into my history and rebought the same stickers that I had because as much as I love these stickers, I kind of hate that they only send one sheet of specific designs, so it's kind of annoying. And then it only brings, like, for example, I bought it because I have used like this little sticker, these guys, and it only brings one sheet of it, and she wanted the same exact design, so I had to rebuy the stickers again. So I'm actually happy that these came in. As you know, Valentine's is around the corner. And I don't know about you guys, but I love Valentine nail designs. And speaking of, that's why I bought these guys. The cards as well, but they also have like the little lips. And it doesn't have just a full heart. It has like the hearts that are like open in the middle. And it has different colors. So for example, like these are the ones that I'm talking about, like, you know, they're open in the middle. Oh, these are cute. It brings little tiny hearts as well. So I've been dying to buy these since last year. And you know, if you want to do some cute little lip designs, it has little lip designs, as you can see, hopefully. And these were not that expensive, actually. I believe, I hate giving you guys wrong prices, but I promise I always put everything in the description box below, because I try to do these videos right after I order whatever I order. So if you guys like them, you guys can get them right away. But I believe it was less than $10. I want to say it was $7.99, but I might be confusing it with the stickers. Oh, these are cute. Look at these. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna start doing Valentine nail sets. Those are so cute. This guy right here. I'm not gonna show you all of them because it's gonna take a while, but you guys get the point. It has the little slanted hearts, little different colors, more little lips. These guys right here are so amazing. I have been dying to buy them. Like I said, these are like the kawaii nails. I don't even know so much about them, to be honest, but I just love how cute these charms are. So I mostly got them because of these. I wanted to do a set with those guys, and I saw they had some M&M ones, you know, some little jelly beans. Super cute. They are really big, so I would suggest, if you buy these, definitely it would be for longer nails, maybe you could get away with medium-sized nails, but honestly, I would say, I mean, look, these are like for extra long nails. I'm gonna show you guys the set that I did. So these are long ballerina nails, and it looks really cute. It still looks pretty big for them, so that's why I say it's better to do them with extra long nails. But I mean, if you really want to wear them, you could definitely get away with them, but the shortest nail length I would definitely say would be medium. Moving on, so let me move you a little closer. So I've been dyeing. I am a rhinestone girl. I love rhinestone nails. Everything about me is all shiny, glittery, all that good stuff. So I saw this girl that I follow on YouTube. She is a nail enthusiast. Her name is Lisette. I forgot her last name, but she did these kind of like rose gold nails for her birthday, and I have been dying to recreate those because rose gold is definitely my #1 favorite color. But for some reason, it is very hard to find rose gold rhinestones, or at least for me. So I decided to go on Etsy and see if I could find some, but I ended up finding these. I don't remember the seller's name, but I definitely have her information. Okay. So I fixed them. So yeah, like I was saying, it's been very hard for me to find rose gold rhinestones, and the ones that I have been finding are just like the regular circle rhinestones, but I want rose gold rhinestones that are like these, that are different shapes, and they've been very hard to find. And the ones that I have found, they're like $70, $80, and I don't have that type of money right now. So thank you to this seller. I will put her name on the screen. This little set was, I believe, $23.99, and guys, look how beautiful they are. Like, I have yet to use them because I wanted to do a video using these, but when I tell you I have been dying to freaking do my nails with these, I've been literally dying. And so these were blush pink, and these are champagne. All right, guys, sorry about that. They all fell out. They're champagne, and they're from the same seller. Wow, today is not the day to make videos, huh, Kay? Give me a second, guys. Like I was saying, this was from the same seller, and this color is champagne, and it brings, let me see, 20 different nail shapes. And I'm not sure how much each of them bring inside, but if you guys are interested in these, like to see the shape and stuff, I could definitely make a separate video for them, and I would gladly tell you guys how much I paid. I will show you all the shapes and stuff like that. So the only thing with these is that the smallest circle or round rhinestones are these guys, but I actually bought some small rhinestones on Shein, so I'm hoping that they're the same color as these so I could use them. But these are the smallest sizes. Like, it doesn't bring your standard circle rhinestones, but it's okay because honestly, for as long as I looked to get different shapes, these are freaking perfect, and they did not break the bank. What are we here for? Let's open up the package that we're really here for, guys. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I'm trying. So I even forgot what I ordered, honestly, but I ordered these like maybe a week ago, so they didn't take that long. All right, so this is everything that I got from Shein. And to be honest, this was so not expensive. So everything that you see here, it was 36 items and I only paid $46.85. But that's also because I had coupons and I had a $16 refund that I had. So that's why everything came out so cheap. And I placed my order on January 3rd, 2022. And I got it today, which is January 10th.